Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you MCOC coupon code. So here it's pretty simple. Just go into any browser, any type of browser you have in your desktop, your iPhones, your Androids, and then just go here to escapistmagazine.com, or actually you can just search in Google MCOC coupon code where a lot will show up. So here I'm just going to show you the latest one and the greatest one. So here it's updated to August 12, 2024. And here, as you can see, these are the Marvel contests of champions codes list. So the ones working is I'm social right here. So it's going to be used for a social being promo pack, which is new. And some of the expired ones were this, welcome to Discord and George wins. So those were the expired ones, but it might still work. So to claim it's just pretty simple. Just go to your promo codes here in MCOC, and then you'll just have to place in your promo code, enter your code, and then you apply your code. So right now the only one that's working is I am social. This is the one up to date right here. So if this is the one, I hope it works. Just put down a comment right there, guys, if it works. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.